my queens, it's Dana Persia. Welcome back to my channel. This is where you get the real deal on real beauty. Today we're talking shiny, glossy lips. And I have in front of me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lip glosses that I know you're gonna love. And you can get these in the drugstore. You can get these, some of them are high-end. I always like to mix it up, but I have a bunch on me today. I have a couple of different things on, but when I'm taping and I'm doing photos and I'm doing YouTube videos, I like my lips to look glossy, and sometimes I like a matte, but lately I've been really loving a glossy lip, and I've been testing out some of these myself, and I have my glasses on so I can read the names to you as I go. So let's get started. And I decided to put a little fancy updo for you for my glossy lip gloss favorites. I have 10 here, like I said. I love them all. There are none that are better than others. I just use these constantly. I have them in my personal vanity, and I also have them at my YouTube studio, so I can always be putting them on. And I have a mirror, so if I want to try anything on, I will do that. All right, so one of the first ones that I absolutely love, and I know that probably many of you have tried these, but I love me some Buxom. This is one of my favorites. It is delicious. Now, if you want a plumping effect, this gives you a plumping effect. This is just their mini size, and this is the larger size. This one is called Clair. Now, it says full-on plumping lip polish. Very pink, and it's very shiny, and it's got some sort of, not sparkle, but almost a little bit of shimmer. And you'll find that when you use lip glosses, if they have shimmer in them, I don't know if you can see how it shimmers, but it gives you, I actually have that on over something else. If you don't mind that cooling sort of pepperminty feeling, it says it plumps. I don't think it actually plumps, but you can try for yourself. This is one of my favorites. So I know a lot of you girls out there probably use Buxom. I love them, and you can layer them, and you can just, there's so many different colors. The next one is, well, two of them, they're by Anastasia. I discovered these. This one is Sparklelava. It's a really cute name, and you can see that it has an iridescence to it. This is the smaller size, and she has larger sizes here. Slightly different in formula. This one is a little bit creamier. This one is a little bit creamier, and then you can see that color. It's really beautiful, and it's very shiny. I use that a lot. And then the other one I love because it has a lot of shimmer in it. Borderline glitter on that one, and that one is right here. And I find that I can put this one on top of any lipstick and it looks amazing. So that's Anastasia. And I'm starting with more high-end here. So Maxx has Powerglass. This is I love this. This is very light, so I will put this on top of another color, and you can see that, and it has like a nice scent, kind of light. And this is their plumping lip gloss. I love the packaging too. It doesn't feel as tingly as the Buxom, but kind of has that pepperminty taste. But this is by Maxx. I do like their Powerglass. Oh, there it goes. You can taste it after a while, after you have it on for a few minutes. And it's very glossy, one that I love. It's very high-end. It's the Charlotte Tilbury. This one is Unleash Me, and I've used this in another video. This is my holiday color, my fall color. But it's very kind of gooey, if you like that feeling. You get this glitter off my hand. It's going to compete with the Unleash Me. I'll show you, but it's very glossy, and the nice thing about this is you can sheer them out. If you don't want to go real heavy, I call it shearing it out, but this is a beautiful berry color. I only have this one color in the Charlotte Tilbury, but I love it. It looks beautiful in pictures. I also recommend this to a lot of my brides who love that very glossy look. It's really pretty. I really love Milani Cosmetics. I think they have come a long way, and their lip glosses, I just discovered Milani lip gloss. It's called Keep It Full. This is called Rosewood. Now, anything with rosewood in it seems to look, I love the color. Every time something's called Rosewood, I love it and I have to buy it. This has a very faint scent, nothing too heavy, but the color is just amazing. I love it. And you can wear this over something else. You can wear it by itself. It's got that rosewood look to it, and it looks wonderful on brunettes and blondes. So Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper by Milani. This is a drugstore brand. You don't have to break the bank there. A Lime Crime. Now, I discovered this because I found this gloss in TJ Maxx. And it's interesting because you think it's going to be sticky and glossy, but it's very shiny and it kind of goes on matte. But if you want to layer this over something, pinky, shimmery, gorgeous, beautiful, almost an iridescence. So this looks pretty over. Let's see, I'll put a little bit on. I've got so many colors on. I think it's alcohol based because you can feel it. It's kind of cold when it goes on, but you could put it in that center lip, that center lower lip, and it's really beautiful. I love it. And the next two I have, one's by Thrive Cosmetics. I love Thrive Cosmetics. I talk about Thrive Cosmetics all the time. What I love about this company is everything you buy, they give proceeds to a female or women-oriented nonprofit, which I love. And so, you know, if you support the company, they support a lot of really great organizations. It has a lot of shimmer in it, and I think that's what I love about all of these, especially it's very light and very sheer, but it's shiny. That's why I love it. It doesn't really have a scent, but I've often used this over other colors because it's very, very sheer. And if I could, I will put the color in the description because I can't read it even with my glasses on. Last but not least, I'm sorry, but I love Victoria's Secrets. I love their kind of, I will call it a Juicy Tube, but it's not. Juicy Tube's Lancome, and I love Juicy Tube. I just don't have any of those here. I don't know if they still make Juicy Tube, but I will have to check that out. This is called Sweet Sangria, but it's clear. And you could get like buy 3, get 2 free, or buy 2, get 2. See, it goes on like a color, but when you can just like kind of, this is just for every day if you want to just run to the grocery store and look pretty. It's very light, but these are great. These give you some really good shine, and they smell really good. If you like that fruity lip gloss smell, like when we were younger and we had lip smackers and lip potion, I'm dating myself, that's kind of what it reminds me of, because it does have a scent. The rest, you know, have like clean, sort of sweet, cupcakey smells. That's what I call it. But don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other lip glosses that you love. There's so many. I mean, I've got so much lip gloss, but these are some of my very favorites that I use personally and I recommend to my client. Bye, my queens. Have a great day.